Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Jamaica 56 Independence festivities commenced yesterday with the annual Grand Gala celebration under the theme Jamaica 56, One Love, One Family.
It is well organized and I like the historical journey that was put into the presentations here today. Just listening to the comments from people in the crowd, it seems to me that everybody is satisfied.
The cultural showcase took place at the National Stadium and saw performances from Tinga Stewart, Sister Pat, Nazelman, Scanation with a cameo by Stranger Cole. The exciting showcase ended with appearances from Richie Stephens, Wayne Marshall and Sanchez. Grammy-winning recording artist Damian Jr. Gong Marley was given a citation in recognition of the work he has done in promoting the growth and popularity of Jamaican music across the globe. The honor was given by the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. Stranger Cole received a citation for his contribution to ska music.
This is a great moment for me, and not just for me, but for Jamaican music in a whole, and to see where this music coming from, excited to be here,
And Richie Stephens got a citation in recognition of the work he has done in promoting the growth and popularity of ska in Europe.
I truly appreciate this gesture because, as I said on stage, each and every one of us as entertainers, no matter how we're established abroad, no matter how people abroad love us, we want to feel the same love and the same appreciation right here in our home country.
Happy 56 to Jamaica, my island, a boom. Recording artist Wayne Marshall has collaborated with Bounty Killer for the second gospel single titled Thank You for the Blessings. Wayne has been arguably absent on the scene in recent times but has returned with a bang. In March, he released the gospel track Glory to God featuring his sister-in-law Tessan Chin and Ryan Mark. Wayne is gearing up to release a video for the track. This will mark the first in 4 years. Thank You for the Blessings is not the first track Bounty Killer and Wayne Marshall have teamed up on. Their previous collaborations include Smoke Clears, Sufferer, Beyond the Alert, and Go Hard. Wayne Marshall was part of Bounty Killer's Alliance crew back in the early 2000s. Bounty Killer also brought Wayne Marshall up as part of his set at this year's staging of the Red Stripe Reggae Sumfest. In Killer's words, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Dancehall recording artist Ching Ching will be touring Europe later this month. Ching Ching has been getting rave reviews since he released the video for the single Rope. The track is also featured on his upcoming Turning Tables album. Ching Ching is slated to perform at Wonders in Salinunti on August 12 before heading to Sardinia on Tuesday, August 14 for the Red Valley Festival. Ching Ching will later take on UK where he's booked to perform at the First Direct Arena in Leeds. The artist intends to rock the world at Chelmsford Rise Festival. The European tour ends in Cardiff at the Motorpoint Arena on August 20. The Rope singer will then head to Toronto for his second Canada run this summer. The artist is set to release his debut album Turning Tables come September 21. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.